Hello all, in this video I'm going to solve question number 23A and B from CBSE grade 10 standard math 2026 board paper. The question paper code is 30/4/1. The A part of question 23 says prove that root 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A is equal to secant A plus tan A. To prove this statement, either I can start from LHS and go towards RHS or from RHS and move towards LHS. Let's take the RHS part. RHS is secant A plus tan A. Secant A can be written as 1 upon cos A plus tan A is sin A upon cos A. We are bringing this change because on the left hand side we see sin. Now this is equal to 1 plus sin A upon cos A. We can do two things. One is squaring the terms and then bringing in the radical sign so that our original fraction is not disturbed, but we bring in the desired change here, which is root of 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A upon cos square A can be written as 1 minus sin square A. Again, root of 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A divided by 1 minus sin square A can be written as 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A. Now 1 plus sin A gets cancelled from numerator and denominator, leaving behind 1 plus sin A upon 1 minus sin A inside this radical sign, and this is the LHS that we require. So we have come to the end of the proof, hence proved. The B part of the question, evaluate 3 cos square 30 minus 6 cosec square 30 upon tan square 60, which is 3 times cos 30 is root 3 upon 2 minus 6 times cosec 30 is 2 and tan 60 is root 3. So 3 times 3 upon 4 minus 24 upon 3 gives us 9 by 4 minus 24 on the numerator by 3, which gives minus 87 upon 4 into 3. On further simplifying, we get minus 29 upon 4. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos.